Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a beautiful Bolero for sale at Jeepzone Bangalore itself. This is a completely modified Bolero which we have completely repainted with a brand new paint job has been done on this vehicle. At the moment this vehicle has come for sale with us. This is a 2009 vehicle. The vehicle is a DI turbo vehicle, engine 5+1 gearbox, 2-wheel drive, and the vehicle is modified with off-roading rims and empty tires are available in this. You can just check out complete black has been painted on the bumpers as well as grills. Completely a black matte finish has been, shining finish has been done on this vehicle. You can just check out the complete body line of this vehicle, extremely in a security kind of a look, black beauty. Set of 5 tires are coming up with Arivo. You can just check out the buttons. Brand new tires have been added on this. Off-roading rims are available on this. Independent suspension vehicle. The vehicle is coming up with power steering as well as AC is available on this. A complete off-roader vehicle. You can just check the complete body line of this vehicle. Very much neat and well maintained at the moment from all the sides. Recently, just 2 months ago, the vehicle was being painted. At the moment the vehicle has come for sale with us. Very much well maintained vehicle, very much less driven vehicle, third owner vehicle, and well serviced and well maintained at Jeepzone. So you can just check out the interiors of this vehicle. The interior is also in very much good condition. This is a 5+1 gearbox. Music system is available. AC is available in this. 1 lakh kilometers driven at the moment. The interior is also in very much good condition at the moment. 5-seater vehicle. So anybody who is really interested in having a look at this modified Bolero can WhatsApp us on a WhatsApp number 9886679617. This is a completely modified Bolero for sale. Third owner vehicle, KA registration and RC is valid up to 2024. So please like and subscribe our channel, and the price customer is quoting is 4.5 lakh negotiable itself. So please like and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned and watch more and more modified Jeeps, Gypsies, Boleros, cars coming from our channel. For more details, WhatsApp us on our number. So please like and subscribe our channel. Do follow our Instagram and Facebook as well as YouTube. Thank you.